everybody, it's Carolina from Rose Sperling Paint Company. Today we are in the garage. It is day 6 of our local stay-at-home order, and I'm really excited for 2 reasons. The first one is that this is the first time in 6 days that I have brushed my hair. So thank you for the motivation. The second reason is for a while now I've wanted to do an unboxing video for the Annie Sloan Chalk painting kits that arrived in our shop last month, and I haven't had a chance, but this presented itself as a great opportunity. If you don't know much about Annie Sloan Chalk Paint, it is essentially magic in a can, but what it really is a very easy to use kind of a shabby chic vintage paint product for furniture, terracotta pots, concrete floors, fabrics. You can pretty much put this stuff on anything but the dog. What I will be doing in the future is I will be doing short tutorial videos to show you exactly what you can do with chalk paint, but today we are just going to focus on unboxing this little painting kit. Now in this kit there is everything you will need to get started with chalk paint. It actually makes a great gift because it's really nicely packaged. So if you are already familiar with chalk paint, or you know somebody that loves it, this would make a really nice gift. Mother's Day is coming up. But let's talk a little bit about what is in the box. So in the box you will receive 3 different colors of chalk paint. There is Scandinavian pink, which is a very pretty salmon color. There is Aubusson blue, which is a dark bluey teal shade. And my personal favorite, because I love anything that's gray, Chicago gray. So Aubusson blue, Chicago gray, Scandinavian pink. Those are the 3 colors you will receive in the box. If you've worked with Annie Sloan Chalk Paint, you know that when it is dry, it's very, well, chalky. So it's very flat. And if you put it on anything that will be touched or handled a lot, that means it gets dirty very quickly. So also in the box is included a small pot of Annie Sloan soft wax, which will be more than enough to finish the project, and you'll have some left over. But the soft wax is used to protect your project once the paint is dry, so it can be handled and cleaned properly over time. So 3 colors and a soft wax, and because you will need something to put the paint on with, you get a little paintbrush. This Annie Sloan paintbrush is the flat bristle brush with the nylon bristles, and this is going to be a nice all-purpose brush. Now also in the box, if you don't have anything around the house to paint, you will find a little tea tray. So you can use this tray for anything from storing candles or some vases. Maybe you can get some coffee in bed on the tray, totally up to you. And just to kind of dress it up a little bit when you're painting it, there is also a little flower stencil. So again, this has anything that you'll need to take your project from start to finish. 3 colors of Annie Sloan Chalk Paint, a brush, soft wax, something to paint, and a stencil. Everything comes boxed up in this little Annie Sloan box. It is $79.95, which is less expensive than if you were to get all of these items individually. These little pots are $18.95 each. The wax is $17.95, and the brush is about $15. So again, this makes a really nice gift for somebody who loves to use Annie Sloan Chalk Paint. And make sure to check back soon, because in the next few weeks I will be doing my Annie Sloan painting videos. We're going to start with the basics. We're going to paint this tray, and then I'll be showing you other fun distressing techniques that you can use to take your project to the next level. So stay tuned, be safe, and we will see each other soon. Bye.